What is the difference between the World Bank Group and the IMF, which is International Monetary Fund? So let's see the difference between these two. And first, we'll try to understand briefly what are these two, and then we will clearly see the differences. So, what is the World Bank Group? So, World Bank Group is one of the world's largest sources of funding and knowledge for developing countries. Its five institutions share a commitment to reducing poverty, increasing shared prosperity, and promoting sustainable development. Okay. The World Bank is mainly consisted of five international institutions. These institutions are International Bank of Reconstruction and Development, which is IBRD, International Development Association (IDA), International Finance Corporation (IFC), Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency (MIGA), and International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes (ICSID). Together, this IBRD and IDA form the World Bank, which provides financing, policy advice, and technical assistance to governments of developing countries. IDA focuses on the world's poorest countries, while IBRD assists middle income and credit worthy poorer countries. IFC, MIGA, and ICSID focuses on strengthening the private sector in developing countries. Through these institutions, the World Bank Group provides financing, technical assistance, political risk insurance, and settlement of disputes to private enterprises, including financial institutions. Then, what is International Monetary Fund? The IMF works to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote higher employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce poverty around the world. The IMF's primary purpose is to ensure the stability of the international monetary system, the system of exchange rates and international payments that enables countries and their citizens to transact with each other. It does so by keeping track of the global economy and the economies of member countries, lending to countries with balance of payments difficulties, and giving practical help to members. This were the basic difference between these two. Now let's clearly understand what are the actual differences that defines these two different organizations. IMF does not follow the international monetary system, whereas the World Bank helps in the economic development of the poorer and developing countries that do not have enough funds. IMF helps to maintain orderly relations among its member countries, whereas the World Bank helps poorer countries by financing their projects and programs. IMF helps several countries by providing short and medium term credits. IMF also assists these countries that have difficulties in paying these funds borrowed, whereas the financial institution provides funds to the poorest countries whose gross national income is very low. The IMF uh, final resources comes from the quota subscription of the member countries, whereas the World Bank raises the money and other required funds from the international bond markets. The IMF has a staff of around 2,300 members from 182 countries, whereas the World Bank has a staff of around 7,000 members from 189 countries. The IMF focuses on the economic stability of the member countries, whereas the World Bank focuses on the economic development of the member countries. IMF deals with various issues of microeconomics and the financial sectors, whereas the World Bank aims at providing poverty and making the countries developed. Among both, the biggest one is the World Bank as it accounts for the member of 7,000 from 189 countries, whereas IMF has its staff of around 2,200 members from 182 countries. Some of the World Bank projects in India are World Bank Science $287 million loan to improve healthcare in Tamil Nadu, World Bank Science agreement to provide additional funding of $137 million to enhance safety in India, World Bank and Government of India signs $250 million agreement to boost rural economic incomes across certain states of India. Currently, the David R. Malpass, who was selected as the 13th president of the World Bank Group by its board executive director on April 5th, 2019, his 5-year term began on April 9, whereas Geeta Gopinathan, which is Indian Indo-American, is an economist, chief economist of IMF.